Good morning, students. Today's video is about the surface area of triangular prisms, where the first video is, and the second will be an example of how to solve them. Okay, but for your notes, I want you to know that since it's a prism, it's the same surface area formula we learned for a rectangular prism, but we do it a little different because the base shape is different. So just like yesterday, our central question is, how do I find the surface area of a triangular prism? We still have a lateral surface area, which is finding the surface area of just the sides. We also have total surface area, which is finding the surface area of the sides and bases. Okay. Okay, what you guys did yesterday. Okay, so that shouldn't be anything too new. You got this. So, with lateral surface area, our formula was perimeter times height. Reminder that perimeter, and remember you're gonna need a different color. Okay, I'm gonna use green. Perimeter is, our P is for perimeter, which is the distance around the base. Over here, I'm gonna write perimeter. And then I'll try to, it's hard to do here with this pencil. I'm gonna put distance around base. All right? That's what perimeter is. And then we have height. Ooh, that was ugly. That was real ugly, y'all. Let me see if I can fix that. That was ugly. Alrighty. So with height, we have that which connects the bases, right? So my perimeter is in green. My height is in blue. So let me show you that here on our picture. So the perimeter is the distance around the base. So that should be in green. And if I'm doing it, you should be doing it. Your paper should have these colors, or at least colors to associate. I understand there may not be enough green and blue, but make sure you have different colors to indicate your perimeter and another color to indicate your height, and so on. So height connects bases. That should be right here and right here. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the height is what connects them when it's all folded. All right. And don't forget, it says the shape of the base is always, well, it's called a triangular prism, so it's always going to be a triangle. Just like a rectangular prism's base was always a rectangle. And so we come over here to total surface area. Remember, it's the same formula from before, perimeter times height, but it's plus the two bases. All right. And so for the bases, I'm going to use the color yellow. Now remember, bases are parallel and usually similar or congruent, meaning they are opposite of each other, they don't intersect, and they're the same size, same shape if they're congruent. But you'll hear me say sometimes similar, because like a cone, technically the top of a cone is a tiny, tiny, tiny circle. And so that's the same shape. They're both circles, just like the bottom of a cone, but they're not the same size. But anyway, bases are parallel, congruent, or parallel and similar, okay? So for this formula, we still have the perimeter, which should be in green. That's still perimeter. We still have height, which for me is going to be in blue. But as I already talked about, the yellow is area of the base. Okay, so it should be very similar to yesterday. Hope I didn't lose you there. My device turned off temporarily. But just like yesterday, it should be yellow, which is area of the base. Keep in mind, though, since it's a triangle, to find the area of a triangle, we do 1/2 base times height. Okay? But it's little b and little h. Okay? Remember, big B is area of the base, big B is area of the base, and little b is just regular base. So down here it says, shade the bases and label the height of the prisms. Well, my bases are triangle, so I'm going to shade my triangles. You should be doing the same. Okay. And then label the height. Well, height is what connects the bases. So this link connects the bases. That length connects the bases. This length, and this length. That is how, these are our notes for lateral surface area and total surface area of a triangular prism. Okay, be sure to watch my next video, like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, tell your neighbor, tell your friend, tell your bald-headed granny. I'm kidding, y'all. Just make sure you watch the next video. That's where I give the answers. See ya, I think Monday.